Blockchain technology is most simply defined as a decentralized, distributed ledger that records the provenance of a digital asset. By inherent design, the data on a blockchain is unable to be modified, which makes it a legitimate disruptor for industries like payments, cybersecurity, and healthcare. Who invented blockchain? Satoshi Nakamoto. Blockchain has the potential to grow to be a bedrock of the worldwide record-keeping systems, but was launched just 10 years ago. It was created by the unknown persons behind the online cash currency Bitcoin under the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto. Blockchain technology can be used to create a permanent, public, transparent ledger system for compiling data on sales, tracking digital use, and payments to content creators, such as wireless users or musicians. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Blockchain is a chain of blocks which contain information. For example, a Bitcoin block contains information about the sender, receiver, number of Bitcoins to be transferred. Bitcoin block. The first block in the chain is called the Genesis block. The issue of security has been a fundamental one for Bitcoin since its development. On one hand, Bitcoin itself is very difficult to hack, and that is largely due to the blockchain technology which supports it. As blockchain is constantly being reviewed by Bitcoin users, hacks are unlikely. Amazon Managed Blockchain eliminates the overhead required to create the network and automatically scales to meet the demands of thousands of applications running millions of transactions. Once your network is up and running, Managed Blockchain makes it easy to manage and maintain your blockchain network.